In this video, we will know that how to fix script error on your Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. Right click on taskbar and after that click here task manager option. And after that guys, click here file and run new task. Click here and type here this box control control and check this checkbox and click here OK button. Okay, and after that guys, find here view by and click here large icon. Okay, and after that guys, find here internet option in this list. Okay, you can see here there are internet option. Now click on it. After that guys, click here advanced option, advanced tab, and if this checkbox is unchecked, check it. Okay, disable script. Now click here connection and click here LAN settings. If this checkbox is checked, uncheck it and check this checkbox only. Click on OK, apply, and then click here OK button. Now close this window. Now we are going for next method. Type here this search box task manager. Task manager, you can see here task manager. Now click here run as administrator. So guys, after that there are many tabs. Click here startup tab. Okay, in this list find Microsoft OneDrive in this list. Okay, click on it, this OneDrive, and right click on it and disabled. Click here disabled option. Okay, this OneDrive should be disabled here. Now close and restart your PC and check guys your problem is fixed or not. Now guys, log in again your system. So guys, you can see here no any script error is displayed here. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.